Hello dear students, welcome to the online session of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. In our today's accountancy class, we will discuss more about dissolution of partnership firm. Here are some of the accounting process which we have to study related to this dissolution process. Realization account, loan by partner account, loan by firm to partner account, partner's capital account and bank account, bank or cash account. Out of this you know how to prepare partner's capital account and bank account. Now what you have to study is the realization account, loan by partner account and loan by firm to partner account. Let us go through that. Let us see first of all what is a realization account. The main purpose of preparing realization account is to close the books of account of the dissolved firm. As you know, dissolution means you are closing down the firm. You are closing the working of the firm. So almost all the activity of the firm get closed. So in that process you have to determine the gain or loss on realization of assets and liabilities, payment of the liability. You have to realize all the assets, you have to sell all the assets or the partners take over the assets, and on that if there is any profit, that you have to show through the realization account. The same way you have to make the payment of all the liabilities of the firm. Transferring all assets except fictitious assets, loan to partners and cash or bank account to the debit side of the account. So on the debit side of the realization account you will show all the assets except fictitious assets, loan to partner and cash account. Then transferring all liability except partner's loan account and partner's capital account to the credit side of the realization account. So on the credit side of the realization account you will write all the liabilities given in your balance sheet. So in your question what is provided is a balance sheet, and from that you have to transfer all the items of liability except partner's loan account and partner's capital account. Other than that, all the items you will show in the realization account credit side. Now amount realized on sale of asset is transferred to credit side of the account, and liability paid are transferred to debit side of the account. Expenses incurred by the firm on dissolutions are debited. Balance in account is either gain or loss which is transferred to partner's capital account. So when you close this realization account you will get either gain or loss. So whatever it is that you have to transfer to partner's capital account. In that profit sharing ratio you have to transfer this gain or loss. Okay. So this was about realization account. Now let us see what is revaluation account and realization account. The meaning first. It shows the effect of revaluation of asset and reassessment of liability. I think you know this revaluation account. In admission, retirement, death, change in profit sharing account, in those all cases we have prepared the revaluation account. So what revaluation account shows? It shows the effect of revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities. And what is the realization account? It shows the realization of asset and settlement of liability. Both are different in meanings. Now objective. Revaluation is prepared to make adjustment in the value of assets and amount of liabilities. So this is prepared to make adjustment in cash and liability amount. And realization account, the objective is to prepare the objective is to determine net gain or loss on revaluation of assets and settlement of liability. So when you close a business, if you are having any profit or loss, that you have to show through the that you will get when you realize the asset, or after realizing the asset and after settling the liability, whatever gain or profit or loss is that will be determined through this realization account. Now time. It is prepared at the time of admission, retirement or death of a partner. As I spoke earlier, a revaluation account is prepared in these three cases. And realization account is prepared at the time of dissolution of the firm. When the firm is shut down or closed forever, then at that time realization account is prepared. Now what is a condense? In this account only change in the value of asset and liability are shown. So revaluation account shows only the change in value of those assets or liabilities whose value have changed. That will be reflected in revaluation account. And in realization account all assets and liabilities are shown. Okay. Now effect of entries on accounts relating to assets and liability. As a result of entries passed in this account, the account of assets and liabilities revalue are not closed. So we don't close the value of asset and liability, but by we show its revalued amount, okay, through a entries. And in realization account, as a result of entries passed in this account, the account of assets and liabilities are closed. Because the company is closing its workings, so all its assets and liability account will be closed. Okay. Now frequency of preparation of account. This account may be prepared a number of times during the life of a firm. So this whenever there is reconstitution of the firm, whenever there is change in agreement between the partners, at all those situations you will have to prepare revaluation account. So number of times you have to prepare revaluation account, but realization account only once, when during the lifetime of the company, and it is when you shut down the business of the company forever. Okay. Now loan or by partner. Loan by a partner to a firm is not an outside liability. So if there are three partners and we have taken a loan from one of the partner, that is not considered as outside liability. Therefore it is not transferred to realization account. So only in the liabilities which are of outside nature, that will be shown under realization account. Loan by partner is not an outside liability. Okay, children. It is also not transferred to partner's capital account because it is paid after payment of outside liability but before payment of the capital. So in short, what you have to understand is, loan by partner you will not show nor in the realization account nor in the partner's capital account. So what will be the journal entry for this? You have to show it in a separate account, that is loan by partner account debited to bank account. Important note is provided to you. Loan from a relative of a partner is an external liability and is paid through the realization account. So when you read the question problem, see, if loan is taken from partner's relatives, even loan taken from partner's wife, that will also be treated as external liability. But if loan is taken from the partner, that will be treated as inside liability, and through this journal entry this case will be settled. Okay. Next is loan by firm to the partner. That is loan by firm means a partner have taken a loan from the firm. Loan by the firm to a partner is an asset for the firm. So children, if a firm has given loan to the partner, that is like an asset to the firm, isn't it? It is transferred to the debit of the partner's capital account. Thus, it is recovered by debiting his capital account. So, partner's capital account debited to loan to partner's account. So, firm is giving loan to the partner. That means it's an asset for a company, and that we have to recover that amount of loan from that partner.